How to buy Sui Memecoin with Phantom Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So the first things that you need to do and ensure is that you need to have your Phantom Wallet be on your browser, of course, over here for example. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually do a bit of modification to start with. So what you're gonna do is you're going to click on this top left side over here, click on your account and click on settings. Over here, scroll down a bit and click on active network. Ensure that Sui over here is enabled so that it will allow you to trade and buy and sell with Sui tokens. After that, go to one of these platforms, whether it's Dex Screener or BullX Neo, depends on what your preference is, and navigate to Sui over here. After that, select a specific meme coin that you want to trade or buy and sell on. And simply look over here on the right side. There will be an option trade blob or Sui over here. And you will be able to see this pop up that would appear for us, which will allow us to select how much we want to purchase or trade. So give it a second. There we go. So over here, simply select the token that you want. And of course, you will receive the corresponding amount of blob over here. Also, to be able to continue with the transaction, simply click on Connect Wallet over here, and you will see here Phantom Wallet. So if you click on Phantom Wallet, a pop-up should appear over here on the top right, which will confirm that you're trying to connect these two platforms. It will just basically allow you or ask for permission to authorize, and after that, you should then be able to trade with our Sui meme coins over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.